Namaste, I am Dr. Sunita, physician, Vaidyaratnam Nursing Home. Today, let's discuss about a beneficial yoga pose in digestion. In this modern era, there is an increased incidences related to gastrointestinal system due to marked changes in lifestyle, diet pattern, behavioral pattern, old age, mental stress and strain leads to various digestion problems and constipation. The usage of certain drugs prescribed for several medical conditions also lead to constipation, especially in elderly. Lack of movement and exercise may contribute to constipation. This can be seen in people who used to sit for a long time. Pavanamuktasana, also known as gas release yoga pose, helps in alleviating various gastric problems, indigestion and constipation. This asana, in fact, is an ideal yoga posture to let out the gas from the stomach and intestines to release the abdominal stress. Let's check how to perform this asana. First of all, lie on your back on a smooth surface, keeping your legs together, arms by the sides of your body. Then raise your both legs with a deep breath up to 90 degrees. Bend your knees by catch holding your knees with hands, press it on your tummy. Hold this posture for 15 to 30 seconds. As you exhale, release your legs and then relax. Performing this asana helps in increasing the muscular contractions of the digestive tract, which helps the food to move ahead, thus removing gas and helping to prevent constipation. This also helps in people suffering with the problems of irritable bowel syndrome. Apart from this, it may strengthen and stretch the abdominal muscles, which help to increase the blood circulation. Since your tummy exerts pressure with the bending of thighs on your tummy, helps to burn the fat in this region. There are certain situations where practicing this asana might be risky. Those who are having some abdominal injuries, hernia, pregnant women and in severe back pain. To conclude, Pavanamuktasana or the wind relieving pose is an ideal yoga pose to start your day. It makes performing other asanas easier and is beginner friendly. Pavanamuktasana helps you improve your body flexibility and also has multiple other health benefits too, for the better sleep, weight management and also helps in the mental clarity along with the digestive relief. One can practice this asana regularly, preferably under the guidance to avoid injuries. Thank you.